Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and let's talk about if you can get a mortgage to buy a home if you owe the IRS. The short answer is yes. But let's go over the longer version, okay? The longer version is this. When you're going to buy a home, okay, and you owe the IRS, so let's say you're just on a payment plan, okay? At a minimum, the lender is going to need proof of the payment plan so it can take into account the amount that you're paying on a monthly basis, okay? And they're going to need to then count that in your debt to income ratio, so as a bill, okay, for qualifying. And then proof that you've made the first payment at a minimum, okay? Now, one thing I see lenders do sometimes is they'll deny a loan if the client owes for 2 years of taxes, okay? That's not true and that should not be the case, but I have seen it. So if you see that or you're being told that, run and go talk to another lender, okay? So that's number one. Number two is, let's say that you owe the IRS, but you have a lien against you for what you owe. At that point, we're gonna need the same proof of the payment plan, count in your debt to income ratio, and have a minimum of 3 months of payments and documenting that, okay? And then you would be okay. And again, it goes back to the 1 year or 2 year rule, okay? Or you could be a combination of things. Have a lien that you're paying on and you just filed your tax returns and you owe and you go under a payment plan. But here's another thing to really take into account. You want to make sure you're working with a trusted mortgage advisor who knows and has handled these types of situations before. And here's why. If you're about to file your tax returns and think, hey, I'm just going to file them and buy a home right away, there's a couple of things to take into account. One is, can you or should you pay your taxes right away? Yes, in theory, okay? Or if you plan on doing a payment plan, it can take a while for the IRS to set that up and then proof that you made the first payment. So what you don't want to do is go under contract on a home, file your tax returns thinking you can go into a payment plan. It's going to backfire on you. So you want to make sure that you're working with an educated and a trusted mortgage advisor who's going to map out the plan for you before you file your taxes, okay? If that's your game plan. All right? So the short answer, can you buy a home with a mortgage if you owe the IRS? You absolutely can. And those were the specifics. All right? Call or email anything, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channels, and if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.